Roth tanks are a great double-wall oil storage option for use in your customers' farm shops. In some areas, local, state, or federal government codes require containment to be built around bulk tanks or the use of double-wall tanks. Affordable Roth tanks are approved double-wall tanks and will give you the peace of mind that comes with knowing if a leak occurs, it will be contained. Roth tanks have an inner primary storage tank and an outer secondary tank that will hold 110% of the primary tank. The double-wall construction is completely sealed so that dust, rain, and snow cannot collect in the outer containment tank. Roth double-wall construction offers a blow-molded HDPE inner tank and galvanized steel outer tank. The inner and outer tanks are pressure tested, assuring you that they will not leak. Interstitial space is monitored by leak detection. The Roth tank comes in many sizes to suit your needs. Roth tanks are available in 110-gallon, 165-gallon, 275-gallon with either low-profile or tall-profile versions, and 400-gallon sizes. These tanks are up to 50% lighter than conventional steel tanks. All Roth double-walled tanks come with a 30-year limited warranty. Roth tanks are the most affordable double-wall tank on the market. Used to store plus 50 engine oil, high-guard transmission and hydraulic oil, coolant, and DEF. Roth tanks have a compact, economical design that gives maximum storage safety with minimum space requirements. Wide handles on each tank allow you to transport it when empty with ease. Roth tanks are better for the environment and better for your safety. Be assured that Roth tanks have been field tested with more than 4 million installed, and each tank comes with a 30-year product warranty. Need a pumping solution on your Roth tank? We can help with that. FarmChem offers pumping systems to fit onto each Roth tank size. Each system comes with an Apex 3-to-1 pneumatic pump, Apex 50-foot hose reel and bracket, an Apex digital preset meter, a pressure regulator, tank level gauge, and an interstitial monitor. This complete system will have your customer set up with everything they need to start pumping directly to where they need it. Need a Roth complete system for your safety-conscious customer's farm shop? Here are FarmChem's complete system part numbers that include both the Roth tank and the Apex brand pumping solution for each sized Roth tank, from 110 gallons to 400 gallons. Does your customer's shop need a portable delivery system? Check out FarmChem's roll-around Roth tank system. Our fully welded one-piece frame provides flexibility to transfer oil around the shop. It comes with 8-inch casters, fork pockets, and a conveniently placed handle to easily push the system throughout your shop. If you're considering double-wall bulk oil storage tanks in your customer's shop, consider the most affordable double-wall option. Consider Roth tanks. Make FarmChem your one-stop shop for all your oil equipment needs. Let us help you grow your oil business by helping your customers with their bulk oil storage and transport needs. Order Roth tank equipment on jddef.com or by calling the FarmChem John Deere line at 855-453-4333. For more information, you can visit our Dealer Resource Center in the Expo Bulk Oil booth and download additional materials.